Welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use Neon Pizza as the host. So I'm just going to go to my link. So there's my trivia that I created, and I can't find the link. So all I do is press save. Then it brings up the link for me. I can click on it. And there's my link. So on the right is a player. It's not going to be me. I can copy this URL, and then they can paste it in there. And then they just have to type their name and it puts the code in for them. So there we go, so there's that one. And I'm going to get someone to, there's still some ads, but it'll go away once we start playing. I'm going to, on my phone right now, so I'm going to log in as another player. But I'm going to use the code. I've typed in Neon Pizza in my browser. Now I'm just going to type the code and then I'll just say player phone. And you can see the test player 1 PC is joined, and now I'm about to do it on my phone. And then it should pop up, there we go, so no need to refresh. And everyone's ready. So once we get into the game, the ads stop. So everyone's ready, so I start. And everyone will get experience on their device, depending what it is. It's always good to practice this as a player and as a host as well. Really important. So, what was the name of the flower? So only I can see that because I haven't shown the question yet. So if I was a player, all they're seeing is this picture. So you might want to talk about it first, and then you might want to show the question. Now, as you can see on this device, show the question. There it is. So it's come up. And so now they've got time to read it. Depends how you want to do it. You might want to just launch straight into the question, read. But remember, quick question for more points. The quicker you answer this particular one, the more points you get. Okay, so is everyone ready? Is everyone set? Okay, and go next. And so you can scroll down to tell them, okay, which one is it? And I think it's that one. So we're waiting, we're seeing in the response, one person has chosen, okay. And we know that they've chosen wrong as well. So, because they've got 0 points there. So we have the player that's answered on the phone, so they're in now. We've got 2 players, 2 out of 2. We know that player 1 has got it correct, but they don't know that yet. So now we come to next, and now they can see the answer. So this particular player saw that he was incorrect, but on the phone it shows he correct, so we'll show the opposite next one. So go, well done everyone, and you can talk about communities there. Okay, so next one is what sort of stalking is not acceptable? So show question. Okay, now is everyone ready? Take your time on this one, everyone. This is multiple choice, not multiple choice. There's more than one correct answer. So let's go. Okay, this player's going to get them all right. So well done. And this player might just get one right if they're lucky. Okay, just making my selection now. Okay, done. So we've got the 2 in there. You can see the points that they got for that one, plus where they're positioned. And then we go next, and you can see that person got 4 points there. And then we can just, we're going to do the leaderboard. Click on options, and we can just show me the results. Okay, at the moment we have a player phone 175. Well done, you are in the lead. And then we can just go, and we can do other options as well. You can create rounds. So once you click on that, you've created a round. So just be mindful of that. So we'll just give you round scores of how that person went, or you can do top 3 in this case. We've only got 2, or you can export the results as well. Or you can send to player. So what does the player see? That's what they see. Okay, great. So it's always good to practice this before you actually roll it out. So we go next. In this case, I've got an external link, which I put in before. And now they see the answer already. Okay, they see the question. They're going to answer something. They don't know what they're typing in yet, so you could show them the question. In this case, I wouldn't show them the question. It's got the link there. So I would call that out, but I just wanted to show you what people see. So I would just go external link there. Listen to this, guys.
Yeah, I'm going to call it right now. I think I found the single biggest productivity hack of
You might get ads, so just be mindful of that. So just wait for the ads. Skip the ads and pause. Okay, everyone, listen to this. Okay. Why is teaching not easy?
Twitter, Facebook, and countless other sites for the attention of distracted students. And if they're not engaged, how do you know they're learning? There's got to be a better way. Active learning gets your students.
Okay, everyone, so why is teaching not easy? So they're going to type their answers in. Social media, do something like that, and done. And so that person actually got it right on, is what I put into the browser. That's good, but the next person, they're going to just type in early morning starts. Early mornings, done. So we can see that on the other end. I said, yeah, no, I'm only going to give you half score. There you go, so everyone got half score. One person got half and one got full. And then we can go next. 100 points, beautiful, woohoo. So we can do our leaderboard again. Just showed me. Okay, we're tied, woohoo, this is very exciting. Let's go for the next question. Okay, so this your presenter has language disorder that involves difficulty reading due to problems identifying speech, sound, and learning. How they relate to letters and words. What is it? And then show a response. It's like, oh boy. Are you ready, everyone? Okay, this is a quick one. And go. You might need to scroll down. Which one is it? Is it this one? Not sure. Okay, that's a bit of a fun one. Just wait. Just waiting for my other one to come through. On the phone, I just turned it off, so I'm just turning it back on. Okay. There we go. Everyone's in. And no one got it right. Okay, a bit tricky that one. Next. Okay. Next. Okay. So this is Fibbage, quite a complicated game. So this is fake out your opponent with an incorrect answer, get points for anyone who picks your answer. So okay, so enter, don't enter yet, so got to show the question first. What's the question? In school services I was rated by the teacher as the most likely to jail. And this one enter politics. Into politics. So done and done. So I can see my two enters are there. I'm happy. So okay, everyone, let's go. So I go next. Okay, so choose your one. What is it? And so this player is choosing. Don't ever choose your own because that defeats the purpose. So they're choosing that one, and so we're all in now. So player phone got 50 points because this person chose their answer. And then we go next. And the game is finished. So that is controlling the game. And then you can do the leaderboard. And who was the winner? Just show all the players. Congratulations, the winner was Play on the Phone. Thanks, Play on the Phone. Woo. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and practice a lot. Get familiar with the controls, get friends, even open up a different browser. I mean, this one's Chrome browser. Open up a Microsoft browser like Edge or Explorer or Firefox, or do it on your phone. So you can just see the user experience so that if they get stuck, you know how to navigate them. Okay, thank you.